To fix the Shein frozen account, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So at the following video, I will guide you to fix the frozen Shein account. Now the first step is understanding why your account is frozen. A Shein account can be frozen due to suspicious or unusual activity of your account or multiple failed login or payment methods, or also behind the network or the server issue, then your account may be frozen. Now to see if your account has been frozen or not, you just need to open the Shein app and try to log into your account. So if you are being able to log into your account, then your account is not frozen, and if you see the option of frozen, then you don't have to try multiple logins. Avoid multiple logins or repeated logins to fix the issue. And the next step is open Gmail on a device and see if Shein has sent you an email explaining why your account was frozen. And open the mail and see if there is an instruction or request for identity verification. So if they have sent you an identity verification mail, you just need to open the Shein app on a device, and from here click on the option of me at the very bottom right, and from here click on the option of settings at the very top right. So after clicking on the option of settings, you just need to click on the option of your account which will show at the very top. Click on it and ensure that your name matches your ID or bank details, and your email and phone number are also correct and active. And by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue. But if that doesn't help, then you just need to open Shein app on App Store or Play Store and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to use your account and it has been frozen. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.